If you want to save and remove a golf grip, I'm going to show you how with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is a golf grip, and you might want to remove it. Now, there might be some reasons that you want to remove it, because you're probably saying, Pete, our golf grip's like $3. I buy some cheap ones, throw them on there. I'll just cut them off with a knife or removal tool. Well, you can do that. Well, something like this with the Cobra Connect in there, that's a $20 piece just by itself. Some of the other grips are $14, $15. It's not uncommon to find golf grips that are pretty pricey. And if you are just swapping shafts, maybe you're trying a different weight or flex, and you want to save the golf grip instead of just buying all new ones, well, you can do it with this. What this is a flat metal tool. It has a little rib going down the middle. You can see that the edge is rounded, and I will say that they've done a nice job of rounding the edges all around. There are no real sharp edges. Now, this is the shorter of the two versions. I think they come in like 11 and a 20-inch version. So I think I bought this, just the cheaper one. And you can see it has this little kick up here and then this plastic handle. I will say that it moves just a little bit in there. I don't know that it's supposed to, and doesn't help to have it move, but it does. And what you can do here is actually kind of wedge this down in the grip, and it's kind of my understanding that the little kick up allows this handle to not interfere with the shaft, so that you can put a little force on it and pull it away. Now, I've also seen some demonstrations where guys will use it like this and kind of use the shaft as a brace so that it will kind of pry up on the grip itself. So what we're going to need to try this is a little bit of grip solvent. Your mineral spirits might work, but this is kind of your standard grip solvent and a nice little squeeze bottle here. I'm going to try this. If this does not work, I'm going to have to buy another one of these grips, which are stupid expensive. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to kind of work up one edge of this, and really what you're trying to do is break it free without ruining the grip from the tape. So I'm just going to kind of try to work it in there a little bit, and then once you have a little opening, you can drop a couple drops of the grip solvent in there. And if you are holding it vertically like this, the nice thing is, as you open this up, it'll kind of slide down there. Actually, I can get that much further down already. Wow, it's going down pretty far. So what I'm doing here is just kind of pulling away gently and twisting it and trying to work this down. Now, I'm starting to feel a little more resistance, so I'm just going to take this and go ahead and drop another couple drops of grip solvent down there. And keep kind of pushing and twisting around, and you can see, man, I'm kind of making pretty good progress. Look at that. I'm right here, maybe 60% of the way down. So I'm going to keep it vertical. You can hear it getting to some dry tape there. So again, a couple more drops of the solvent in there. You can probably be pretty generous with the solvent. That is going to be the least of the expenses of getting this thing off. Now, I also will say this grip tool is not cheap, but it can pay for itself pretty quickly. I think this was about $45. But I tell you what, you save 10 cheap grips, you save just a few of these $20 grips, and you are in the money. All right, the tip is already down at the bottom here, so I think if I can just get it all the way around, kind of one rotation, ooh, I can feel it twisting. So what I can do, I think, is just kind of start pulling this off. So this is all real time, man. You gotta have a little muscles, and thank God I am built like the Revenant bear, and got it off. Grip saved with this little tool. Hey, if you want to pick up this tool, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
If you wanna know about a brand, ask me. I'll check if what's in the bag's nasty. Better if you know what's up than the unhappy. I know what it feels like when you're done cashing. You tried their meal or drive their vehicle. Garbage delivered at your PO. I know you feel you wanna scream, your head hurts on your pillow.
Discover more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Explore deeper.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Live better.